And look at this masterpiece by Mai. She's made a papier-mâché model of a face and used different shaped pieces of card to create the abstract features. Yeah, that's one cool papier-mâché face from Mai. Do you know what? I love making models from paper and glue. Hey, have you ever done an art attack where you know that you're going to get gluey? So you do the right thing and you put down some newspaper to protect the table, only to find that after your gluey artwork has dried, this happens. Yeah, you go to pick it up and half the newspaper comes with it. It's completely stuck. Very annoying, and it's ruined your artwork. Well, here's a little trick that I can show you. Instead of putting down newspaper, do your gluey artwork on a plastic bag. Now, if your artwork is bigger, then just simply cut along a couple of the bag's edges and open it out. And it's much bigger. Now you've got the perfect gluing surface, because not only does it stop your furniture getting messy, the plastic also peels neatly off your dried artwork. And there it is, perfect. Good, eh? The perfect surface for gluey artwork. So, okay, where were we?